Hi, I'm Tony Crimmins. This is a song called Green Door. It was written in 1956 by Bob Hutch Davey with lyrics by Marvin Moore and first recorded by Jim Lowe, and it went to #1 in the US charts. It describes a happy crowd outside the door. It was inspired by a popular music theatre club in Dallas where the kids used to congregate. They weren't allowed in, so they used to congregate outside the door. It's actually a yellow door rather than the green one, but I suppose green sounds a bit better for the song. Midnight, one more night without sleeping, watching till the morning comes peeping. Green door, what's the secret you're keeping? Now there's an old piano and they play it hard behind the green door. Don't know what they're doing, but they laugh a lot behind the green door. Wish they'd let me in so I could find out what's behind the green door. Well, I knocked once, tried to tell them I'd been there. Door slammed, hospitality's thin there. Wondered just what's going on in there. Saw an eyeball peeping through a smoky cloud behind the green door. Then I said, you sent me, someone laughs out loud behind the green door. All I want to do is join the happy crowd behind the green door. Green door, what's the secret you're keeping? This is basically a 3-chord song in the key of A. So it's got the chord of A, chord 1. Chord 4 is a D chord. I'll come back to that. And the chord 5 is an E7. There's also an A7, which is easy enough, but it's not essential. It makes a difference, I think. And then there's this D chord. It causes problems. There's basically 3 ways to play that. You can squeeze your fingers together there, if you can manage to do that. Just squeezing your fingers close together. Or you can do that with the little finger rather than the bigger other fingers, if your little finger's strong enough. Or you can cover these 2 strings with 1 finger and do just 1 more. So covering those 2 with 1 finger and put that one down. Or you can do it the other way around, cover these 2 strings and play that one. I tend to do that one because I can get my fingers in, they're not too big, but it's up to you. That's quite useful as well. I use that one quite a lot. Now the rhythm is a sort of shuffle rhythm. Dum, dum, dum. 1, 2, 3, and 4, or 1, 2, 3. However you'd like to play it. But I'm adding these extra notes to the chord. There's the A chord. To make it more interesting, I'm adding the 6th and then the 7th. So you get this boogie. You can do the same thing with the D chord. It makes it even more difficult. Then you've got the E7 chord. You get that nice jazzy chord there. And then back to the A chord. That, of course, is not necessary. You can just play a straightforward A, D, and difficult enough with the D chord without making it more complicated. However, it's good to do if you can. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and that's as usual. Whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.